What is poppin', guys? Welcome back to a brand new series. This is the series where I'm going to show you guys exactly how to live stream on Twitch, how to also get the best settings for Mixer if you want to stream on Mixer with, for example, with Twitch Studio. All of that is coming up in this series. And in this first episode, I'm going to show you guys exactly the perfect live stream settings for Mixer. So let's get started right after the intro. Alright guys, so as you can see right now, we are on Mixer.com, and usually way back in the day when you would actually start streaming on Mixer or basically any platform, you had to obviously fill in your stream key, which is also currently the case right now. In order to get your stream key, we're going to go to Mixer.com obviously, and right here we need to click on Stream on Mixer, and now it will give us a little introduction. We're going to click on Get Started Now, and we're going to click on Get Started.
Hi, welcome to Mixer. We're glad you've decided to grow your community with us. Before we get started, there are a few basic things we'd like to go over. As a streamer, you have the power and responsibility to keep the Mixer community positive and welcoming. Everyone is here to have fun and be entertained by you. It's important to always be respectful and considerate to everyone who comes to visit your channel. Be nice.
Hello.
Hate speech, harassment, bullying, and threats are never tolerated. By staying positive and being a careful observer on your channel, you can help us keep Mixer a great place to watch and stream. Here are a few ways you can take action to preserve the integrity of Mixer's rules of conduct. First, empower your audience to use the report abuse button in the chat window to keep your community healthy. Second, your moderators are one of your keys to success. Lean on them to manage your channel while you're streaming. Be aware of your attire when you jump on stream, especially if you're just rolling out of bed. Lastly, be conscientious about setting the right channel audience rating for your channel, so your audience knows what to expect. That's a brief overview of how you can help keep Mixer the place we know and love. Please review the rules of conduct in more detail if you have any questions. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll get your stream set up shortly.
Alright, so we now revealed the rules. You need to request your stream key. So what is a stream key? A stream key is a secret code that allows you to stream on your Mixer channel. You should never share your stream key with anyone, because if you do, if people get a hold of your stream key, they fill it in their OBS, they're going live on your channel. So you make sure that you will actually keep that one secret. So I'm going to also blur it, obviously. Okay, so right here it is a countdown where they're actually reviewing my application for a stream key. So below is a time expected to complete this process. Please come back, and once we have completed the review, your key will be waiting for you. In the meantime, you can check out the Mixer Academy to learn more about creating a successful stream on Mixer. So right now I can't really do anything, so I'm just gonna wait a day and then I'll just go ahead and move up from there. So I'll see you guys in about 23 hours and about 59 minutes. So right now I would like to take a quick break to introduce you guys to Own3D.tv, the ultimate website to get your resource for live streaming, whether it's overlays, alerts, alert sounds, panels, stinger transitions, sub emotes, sub badges, bit badges, website for streamers, an avatar maker. Everything that you need to get started live streaming is on this website. No matter if you're looking for streaming overlays, gaming overlays itself, talking overlays, webcam overlays, stream panels, stream banners, these panels when somebody donates that pops up during your live stream, everything is on this website, guys. They have a ton of excellent ranked reviews on Trustpilot as well. Everything comes in high quality that you can download right away, guys. It is really cool. Check the link in the description, start downloading today and improve your live streams. Now let's continue with the video. Okay guys, so the 24 hours are finally up. I literally had to wait a day until I record this, second part. So right now it says review the streamer pledge. At Mixer we love gaming, we love streaming a lot, but we know that not everyone online has the best of intentions, all of that. So you can also read this on your own once these 24 hours are up, obviously. So right here it says, before any of us goes live and start creating our very own communities on Mixer, we ask you to acknowledge that I'm joining and supporting an inclusive and positive community of communities. Mixer welcomes streamers, gamers, and lurkers from all creative walks of life. Real people just like me are at the core of what makes streaming great. I agree to uphold Mixer's community standards, so we're gonna click on accept, obviously. So right now it says, congrats, welcome to the Mixer Mixer streaming community. Now let's get you streaming and growing your own community. Finish the training to view your dashboard where you'll find your newly acquired stream key and broadcast settings. So right now we're going to hit view dashboard. Okay, so for one-way reasons, Mixer changed all up again back to Dutch instead of English, but I'll just guide you guys through because right here it says stream settings, but right here this one is blurred because that is your stream key. So if I'm going to hover over it, I have to blur it. So what you can do is just click on this copy icon, and that's going to copy it straight to your clipboard because at the bottom it says copied. So right now we can customize our live stream. So right here it says title of the stream. You have to fill in what kind of game you're playing. For let's say that we're going to do a GTA 5 walkthrough and then story mode. So that's what you can do. So then you can also at the bottom choose and type in which game you're streaming. So I'm going to type in GTA 5. It's going to automatically pop up right here. So the target audience of your channel. So we all know that, you know, GTA 5 contains the ability to actually like shoot people and all that. So this is not really targeted for kids or anything like that. So right now you would like to pick this one for 18 plus. And obviously the language of our channel is English. So anytime people are actually sharing your stream, this is basically what it will say. I'm watching, and then obviously it will say JustAlexHalford awesome stream. Come check it out here, and then it will also share the URL of your Mixer live stream. Now right here you can also choose, for example, like save recordings of your live stream, all that. You can just basically customize this completely how to your wants and needs. But in this video I'm mainly focusing how to live stream on Mixer. So once we have copied our stream key, so right now we are in OBS Studio. So we're going to click on file and we're going to hit settings. Okay, so then we're going to hit stream, and right here it says service. Now we want to obviously change this one to Mixer, and I want to mention that there are basically two Mixer options. The first one is Mixer FTL. That is going to add a 1 to 2 second delay. If you're going to pick Mixer.com RTMP, that's going to add in a 14 to 15 second delay, just to clarify. Obviously we want as less delay as possible, so we're going to pick the FTL one, and obviously we're going to hit use stream key. Now right here you pick server. You want to basically pick the one that's the closest to you, because if you're living in the US, you're not going to pick Europe and Amsterdam. You're going to obviously pick US, Texas, California, all of that. So obviously I'm based in Belgium, so Amsterdam is the closest to me. And then what we're going to basically do is copy and paste the stream key that we just got from Mixer. Now what we need to do is we need to hit apply and hit OK. Now I want to mention that once you click on here, start streaming, you will actually go live on your Mixer channel, and that's obviously how to live stream on Mixer. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to go ahead and check out own3d.tv for all the assets that you need in terms of like live streaming and all that. Thanks a lot for them for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button down below and subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you guys obviously in my next video.